Hello and welcome. You're on Friday Double Bill, India's first full-length film review show on television. This is where we look at the top releases in the theaters every Friday. We dissect those films, we discuss those films, and we tell you at least whether we thought that film was a dekho or peko at the theaters. Well, getting on to the OMG moments or the oh my god moments from this film, besides the plot itself that we've already discussed, I think the two focal points of this picture was always going to be Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif. So we'll just get on with the Hrithik Roshan moments, some of which we've already seen in the promos. There is him in the water hoverboard, there's him in jet ski, there's him in Formula One car, there's him in a motorbike. I mean, which mode of transport besides the lift has he not taken in this movie? But I'll give it to you. I mean, this guy is a really, really good looking man. I can imagine even male audiences sort of looking at him, hoping to go to the gym and get something as cool as that. But then for male audiences, there is Katrina Kaif. Now, Katrina Kaif, who, as you rightly pointed out, has been given this very meaty role, as it were. I think in every scene that we see her, besides the fact that she travels without a passport, let alone a visa, yes, to Prague and Bangkok and various other places, is the fact that no matter what scene is, no matter what she's supposed to say in it, she'll purse her lips or open them slightly, and she'll roll her eyes. And I genuinely thought that she was seducing a mango, as she does in so many of her ads.
Speaking of seducing mangoes, and product placement, this film is a festival of product placement, starting with Johnson Tiles. I mean, if there were large hoardings of Johnson Tiles were not enough, Hrithik takes Johnson Tiles and breaks them on the villains' heads. Thereafter, you have the Volvo 6, which is being endorsed there because they ride in it. Of course, they steal it from someone as they are busy stealing with great aplomb. They have
Mountain
a
Dew.
pizza. They actually go to a pizza store. The opening shot has the pizza with your Dr. Dang, Danny Denzongpa, eating pizza, and a full dialogue ensues on that. They go into upper crust and thin crust and pan pizza and all of that. Then you have Mountain Dew, and dar ke aage jeet, all of that. I mean, there is nothing that has not been, and I'm wondering 140 crores must have been earned just in product placement rather than spent. So truly, oh my god.